Stop wasting socks. 20 brilliant repurposing ideas to save cash. Join me as I take on the challenge of finding 20 surprising and creative ways to reuse old socks. You won't believe what I come up with. I know that out of all the clothing items in most wardrobes, socks probably get the most wear and tear. And I know your favorite pair really takes a beating. But if you're like me, you don't want to just throw them away without at least trying to give them a second life. So I've got 20 ways that you can repurpose those old socks and stockings to get the most out of them and save you some money. Let's check it out. 1. Household cleaning. One of the easiest ways to reuse socks is for household cleaning. Socks are great for attracting dirt, so just put one over your hand to quickly dust even your dustiest furniture. Then you can flip the sock inside out, spray your polish, and give your furniture a beautiful shine. 2. Swiffer pad replacement. Why not save yourself $10 and use an old chenille sock or footie as a washable and reusable Swiffer pad? They work really great at picking up dirt, whether wet or dry. 3. Vacuum screen. Place a thin sock over the hose when you vacuum to catch any valuables you may have dropped along the way. 4. Travel protection for shoes. Old socks also come in handy when packing for a trip. You can cover your shoes to protect them from scratches and protect your clothing from the dirt on your shoes. 5. Jewelry organizer. You can also use them to keep your necklaces tangle-free in your bag. 6. Small ring holder. Using just the toe portion of a sock, you can glue a cardstock circle to the underside and inside to make a small ring holder for your dresser. You can also use it to hold safety pins, hairpins, or any other small objects you need to keep it together. 7. Scented drawer sachets. These are some tights that my daughter outgrew, so I cut out 4 pieces, closed the bottoms of each one using hem tape, filled them with an essential oil and rice mixture, and added some ribbon for some adorable scented drawer sachets. 8. Glasses holder. You can cut a small slit in the heel of a no-show sock, hang it on a hook, and use it to keep your reading glasses handy in the kitchen, or any room when you need to use them. 9. Chalkboard eraser. You can fold and tuck a sock to use as a chalkboard eraser and make it even handier by adding some ribbon for easy hanging. 10. Umbrella cover. On a rainy day, don't forget to grab an old sock on your way out to cover up that wet umbrella. 11. Soft ice pack. You can put some ice in a plastic bag, tuck it into a sock, and now you've got a soft ice pack. 12. Hanger dent prevention. Are you tired of those annoying hanger dents you get in your shirts and sweaters? Well, just wrap and tuck small socks around the ends of the hangers to solve the problem. 13. Hair accessories. Socks also work well as hair accessories. You can cut 2 1-inch pieces, cinch and secure the center with a rubber band or a piece of material. Add some hair clips or hairpins and you've got yourself some really cute little hair bows. Wrap a sock around a ponytail to help create a full bun hairstyle. You can also use the top end of a sock to make one thick hair tie. Or you can cut up a knee-high to make several hair ties. 14. Weaving loom refills. And you can also use these same loops as refills if you just happen to have one of those weaving looms. 15. Mug cozy. You can use the rib part of a tube sock, cut a small slit on one side and sew in some buttons for an inviting mug cozy. 16. Ear warmer headband. Now my absolute favorite way to repurpose old socks is to turn them into something else I can wear. And by cutting a small slit just beneath the cuff and sewing a button on the other end, you can wear it as an ear warmer headband. 17. Scarf. Or you can switch it up and use it as a neck warmer when a full scarf is just too much. 18. Matching armband. Then you can even take a piece of the other sock and make a matching armband. 19. Stylish arm warmers. Now this sock already had a hole in the heels, so it was perfect for making these stylish arm warmers. 20. Boot toppers. For more of those holy socks, you can just cut off the rib part, sew in some buttons, and yes, I have loads and loads of buttons. And then you can wear them as boot toppers for a little accent to your outfit. Now there are tons of sock repurposing ideas I didn't even begin to mention, but hopefully this gave you some ideas to get started. Just let me know in the comments which ones were your favorites, and if you want to see more money-saving repurposing hacks like these. Your support fuels our passion for uncovering the secrets behind sustainable living and cost-effective tools and methods to save you time and money. Subscribe to discover empowering and cost-effective home and health wisdom that keeps you one step ahead and the envy of your friends and neighbors. Turn on notifications to stay updated with our latest content. And as always, please be well, be wise, and take care.